It's happening, guys. It's just about to fall.
Mum. Mum.
They only got some baby ones left.
Oh yeah.
That's the last of the trees, guys.
Except those little ones.
Are you happy, Alison, that your garden is coming together, kind of?
Yes, I am because I live here.
No, you don't. She lives here and she lives here.
And also that little
Thing
and
down
that
there.
little munchkin rat thing.
That little polar bear there. That little koala.
She sleeps on the bed that you're sleeping on tonight.
That is disgusting.
Yo.
That is just great, isn't it? And the cat came and slept with me. And I got in the bed. Oh, that's great. I would... Bum, bum. Thank you.